Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of our project is a coordinator for scaling elastic application across multiple clouds in the domain cloud computing. Let's see the brief explanation about our project. Cloud computing revolution, the way of computational resource are commercialized and delivered to customers, built on top of technologies such as virtualization and service-oriented architecture. Cloud resource can be acquired in different abstraction level. Of special interest in this paper is the level known infrastructure as a service, where customer lease a hardware resources is the provider of data center. The resources are directly accessed by the customer, which install and configure the whole software stack in order to meet their specification needs. From the customer point of view, sufficiently large number of resources are available and they released according to the actual demand. The capabilities makes cloud computing available alternative of traditional provisioning method, where capabilities planning is based on the peak demand, which is observed only in specific time and thus leads to low efficiency in resource utilization. One approach that can take counter the above situation is establish application to scale across multiple independent cloud data structure. Now, our existing approach has a direct relationship between the cloud service provider and the client. It allows the customer to dynamically scale the application software platform and hardware infrastructure according to the ongoing SLA. The main aim of our proposed is the evolution of the cloud coordinator element from the inter-cloud architecture. The cloud coordinator represents data centers and broker in the inter-cloud marketplace and is responsible for publishing offers and requests for resource discovering potential provider of resources and unnegotiable resource when it's necessary. In this backend, it interacts with the virtual machine manager from the local infrastructure, so it can be advised about the need of an extra resource and supply them to the provider. A prototype was developed and deployed in a small scale cloud scenario. A flowchart diagram. Here the user requests for resource from the data center. That is, here we have a data center. The user requests from the resource to provide a data center. We have a coordinator. The coordinator which echoes the user request. If the user has get request in provide the requested resource, and we have a cloud exchange. From the cloud exchange we have an providing have a space resource will be submitted offer to the cloud exchange. The customer want to resource will be submitted. The cloud exchanger will verify all the cloud data and the result will be provided. The cloud exchanges will also route the resource temporarily and provide accessibility when the currently is equal to start equal time given by the reserved customer. Here the cloud event will be received by the cloud exchanger coordinator center. The coordinator also appropriate the offers and requests for the such This is about our flowchart diagram. Let's see the brief explanation about our project. This is our cloud upload page. Here the user is going to upload the information to the server. Let me see what will be our process. This is our cloud upload page. Now the user is going to upload the file to one server. We have two servers. One other is our local system and another is our VM. We are using our VM. Let's see a brief demo of our project. Now I am just choosing I am choosing my own file. I am getting my own IP address. Now this server will be get idle. Now let's see what will be the happen when I get transfer my file. Just I am uploading my file. Here I got an intimation that the file has been uploaded successfully. When I check over here, my data has been received successfully. When I click on this compute resource, now I have to download my own file. That is, I am going to check whether my file has been located in home domain or is in adjacent domain. Before that, I have to run my CPU server. Now I am going to check my resources, that is CPU resource and the physical memory storage resource for both the home domain and the adjacent domain. This is our VM1, that is this is our adjacent domain. When I click over here, it checks the data, and when after the server is get connected, I will get my message box as gets connected. And then this is our resource allocator in our home domain. When I click on this resource, the same process will be happen here, and after it gets connected, I will get a a message overhead, and when I click on the send request button, it will get to check the resources, and the information will be provided as a home domain resources. We have an 93 percentage, and the same as the adjacent domain, we have the information as 62 resources are 62 percentage. That is a home domain, and the adjacent is nothing but an VM. In the VM we have 62, and the home domain is on 93. When I process the request from my hand, the file as transfer will get an information as transfer the request. Now I got an information that is client request a process in home domain. When I click on this download file, here I got an that is choose download the file from this domain address, that is download the file from this particular IP address. This is about our process. Thank you.